Hello guys, welcome back to LAN app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to sign up for FlexOffers affiliate program. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you actually join a FlexOffers affiliate program? Well, joining the program is actually pretty easy. So what we need to do here is we need to go to their official website, which is going to be flexoffers.com. Now, in their official website here, there's going to be a lot of information that you can view here. Like, for example, they actually have an account for publishers and also an account for advertisers, or in this case, we have the custom solutions here as well. Now, you could view any of the information that you need here, but for you to get started, you just need to click on the Get Started button here that you see at the very top. Now, once you click on it, it's going to ask you, are you a merchant or advertiser or a publisher / affiliate? In this case, since we want to sign up as an affiliate, we want to click on the sign up here next to publisher or affiliate. Now, from here, what we need to do next is we need to wait for it to actually load up the appropriate page here, because we need to provide some information about ourselves. In this case, what you need to do is you just need to provide all the necessary details here. So that includes the account info, so that includes your name, email address they want to use, your password, and confirmation of that. Also, they have the terms and conditions here, so make sure that you read that before you're signing up. Now, in this case, there are going to be multiple stages here. We have the company info, which in this case, you need to provide the info about your company, traffic sources, so that includes your accounts, your websites that you have, that you'll be using to promote their flex offers here. And they also have the two-factor authentication that you need to set up to further secure your account. Now, in this case, they have the final step here, which in this case, you might need to wait for them to approve your account before you'll be able to join the platform itself. But in this case, that's how you sign up for FlexOffers affiliate program, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to your LAN app. Thank you for watching.